Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, and Rob and I have a ton of errands to run, so I'm going to take you along with me. And it's kind of sprinkling out a little bit. Babe's in the window, of course. I don't know if you can see, but on the pond you can see like little watermarks everywhere. So we'll have to get rained on. And I'm just being super casual. I have the Old Navy like ribbed shirt on with some Old Navy leggings and then some Puma socks because I love this shirt. It makes my boobs look good, it makes my curves look good. I really enjoy it. It's kind of raining a little bit. See? Yes. And I do not have any makeup on today because I didn't want to put anything on. My glasses covers up my face, so it's all fine. So I'm putting cash. Another first errand down. Putting money in the bank. And this thing's so annoying as hell because it doesn't always take out my money. So we're gonna finish this and get. Next place is Home Depot. We're gonna go look at some fixtures. Oh, yes. We can look at lighting in the kitchen because I would like to finish that. And then we're looking at handles. So
Handles?
Handles.
What handles?
Handles for the door.
At least it's candles. It's like we got plenty of
It's so cute. I found a pen. I'm gonna put it in my beauty room. All the faucets I have to choose from. Alright, so we're done with Home Depot, and now we're gonna end up going to Target. Excuse me. Because the mall doesn't open till 11, and the Target that we're gonna go to is connected to the mall, so we can just do everything all at once. So, off to Target now. Check it out. Successful shopping trip.
All right, ready?
Yes. It is still raining outside.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah, I gotta go back in here. Now we're gonna go to the mall. Oh look, right, Old Navy right there. So, going to the mall. Looking at 3 places, and then we're done. Alright, so we're back in the car, and my hair's kind of wet because it is really raining out. So, and then I ended up going to Old Navy and got a couple of things. The only thing is they didn't have a whole bunch of leggings. So I got like in my size. They only had one large in black. But I ended up getting a gray, like a dark gray one. And then they had another dress that I wore in like a last couple of vlogs, like a vlog or two ago. My blue one, they had a green, which I think I look really pretty in green. I really like green. So I ended up getting that, and then like a little black cardigan that's really light for work. So, yep. And now we're at Cub Food, and we're gonna go get some groceries. And then we can go home. It's been a long day, but we're getting there. Alright, so we are home. We got all our groceries. Glass in here. Our delicious meals. I got all my Tupperware and some like work stuff. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put all this away and I'll be back. All right, so I'm having my pre-made salad with some pieces of turkey meat and then a little bit of bread. And then I'm just gonna be trying to drink most of this water, so yeah. And I cooked some bacon for some bacon bits. And now we're just chilling. And there's the boo-boos. Hi. She gets more. So we're just gonna chill out a little bit more, and if anything else happens, I'll let you know.
Can be brought out. My
Boo-boo.
to introduce to you America's Mercury Astronaut.
So I'm gonna be trying this probiotic sparkling drink. It's supposed to be a mojito, and I like mojitos a lot. So yeah. And then I'm watching this guy talking about his color line and kind of help me out with work. But we still chilling.
In Southern California, they all want to be like Lady Gaga, and that's not a color. But